Welcome to our channel Maths Bench. Everybody first in this bench. Well, thank you for choosing to watch my videos. I hope you feel good after watching my video. Please watch all my videos in my playlist and my channel. Please share to your friends so that they can memorize the concepts what they learned in previous. So please like and share my videos and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Please watch the previous video on the application of trigonometry exercise 12.1 up to 1 to 6 problems, right? Each after watching the every problem, pause the video and practice each and every problem. Later go for the next one. After watching the next problem, again watch and pause the video, practice that, then go for the next one. Okay, let's start our class. The question is, an electrician wants to repair an electrical connection on a pole of height 9 meters. This is a pole of 9 meters. Let the pole is A, B. How many meters it is? 9 meters. He needs to reach 1.8 meters below the top of a pole. 1.8 meters below. So 1.8 meters below here should be reached. So you have to place a ladder to that height only. So this is a ladder placed against the wall which is 1.8 meters below the pole. The remaining value out of 9 minus 1.8. 9 minus 1.8 is 7.2 meters. Out of total 9, 1.8 here and 7.2 here. Right? Now A, B completed. Here point you can write C and D. We can say that CD is a ladder. What should be the length of a ladder? What should be the length of a ladder which he should use when he climbs at an angle is 60 degrees. Here angle is given as 60 degrees. We have to find out what is the length. So this we have to find out, that is here calculate x. Right, now the question is here, what remaining, what will be the distance between the foot of the ladder and foot of a pole. This is a ladder, so this is the foot of a ladder and this is a foot of pole. So this also you have to find out. So it is called another variable y. So here ladder length you have to find out x and this value also you have to find out y. Okay, let's solve this problem. In the triangle CBD, what is triangle name? CBD. In triangle CBD, for this angle, this is opposite side and this is hypotenuse. So opposite hypotenuse relation is sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Sin theta is equal to 60, opposite value 7.2 not 9 by hypotenuse value x. So this x you have to calculate now. Sin 60 value is equal to root 3 by 2 is equal to 7.2 by x. Apply cross multiplication, x into root 3 x root 3, next 2 into 7.2. So value of x is equal to 7.2 into 2 by into root 3 transpose by root 3. So denominator irrational number is there, so rationalize by using root 3 and root 3. So 7.2 into 2 into root 3 by root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3. Right, cancel 3 table, 3 ones are, 3 twos are and 3 fours are 12. So value of x is equal to 2.4 into 2 into root 3. 2.4 into 2, 24 twos are is equal to 48. So 4.8 root 3. So value of x you can write as 4.8 root 3. Right, now this is value of x, means what here value of x is length of a ladder is equal to x is equal to 4.8 root 3. Now we can calculate y, the remaining part, the distance between the foot of a ladder and foot of the pole. This we have to calculate in the same triangle, in the triangle CBD, in the triangle CBD or BCD. For this angle, this is opposite side and this is adjacent side. So we have to apply tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Tan theta is equal to 60 is equal to opposite side. For this angle opposite 7.2, for this angle adjacent is y. So opposite 7.2 by adjacent y. Tan 60 value is equal to root 3 is equal to 7.2 by y. Now this y you have to calculate. There is no denominator 1. Apply cross multiplication. Y into root 3. Y root 3 7.2 into 1 7.2. So value of y is equal to 7.2 by root 3. Again you got denominator here. Rationalize. Value of y is equal to 7.2 root 3 by 3. 3 table again, 3 2s are 4s. So value of y is equal to 2.4 root 3 meters. If you want substitute root 3 value 1.732, you will get exact value, right? Okay, fine. Let's go for next problem. Next eighth one. A boat has to cross the river. A boat has to cross the river. Let's try to draw one river. This is the flow of water. This is the direction of flow of water, right? You are at one bank of a river. This is one bank of river. So you have to reach another bank of river B. This is the first bank of river A, second bank of river B, right? A boat has to cross the river. It crosses the river by making an angle 60 degrees like this. It cannot go straight because due to flow of water we cannot move exactly straight. So definitely we can reach opposite bank of river making some angle only. Here angle given as 60 degrees. Is it clear why it is 60? Because you cannot move straight due to flow of water. It pushes to you to right side direction because flow of direction is right. So definitely we can some bend should be formed. So that bending angle is 60 degrees. We have traveled bank of river due to stream of river and it travels of distance 600 meters. 600 meters traveled. Now what is the width of a river? Original width of a river, exact the perpendicular width we have to calculate. That we have to find out x, right? Let's solve here. AB completed. This part is called C. In the what is the triangle name? ABC. In triangle ABC, we can apply for this angle. We need here x, which is called opposite side. We know hypotenuse 600 meters. So opposite hypotenuse relation is sin theta. So sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Sin theta is equal to how much given? 60 degrees is equal to opposite value x, hypotenuse is 600. Sin 60 value we know root 3 by 2 is equal to x by 600. Apply cross multiplication. X into 2 is equal to 600 into root 3. Value of x is equal to 600 into root 3 by into 2 transpose by 2 ones are 2 300 times. So value of x is equal to 300 root 3 meters. If you want, you can substitute root 3 value 1.732. Then you can get exact value in decimals, which is the distance exact the width of a river is will get, right? No need, but if you want you can, right? Well, do you understand this? Here making an angle 60 due to flow of water. That's why the boat will bend due to right side direction, because flow of water is direct to right side. If you flow is left side, it will bend the left side as 60 degrees. Is it clear? Well, next problem. An observer of height 1.8 meters is 13.2 meters away from the palm tree. So this is a palm tree, right? Let the palm tree is A, B, right? An observer is at how many meters away? 13.2 meters away from the palm tree. This is a palm tree, 13.2 meters away from the palm tree. Here is a observer, but here given height of a observer as 1.8 meters. So here you have to consider a candidate or observer called AB completed here CD. Its height is equal to 1.8 meters. So we have to draw one horizontal line through the observer height. Okay, now so this is 1.8, the remaining that parallel value is also 1.8, right? Do you understand this? Once again, height of a palm tree is AB, here observer is CD, its height is equal to 1.8, a distance of away from 13.2. Now the angle of elevation of top of a tree from his eyes. These are the eyes. Now from this eyes, you have to observe the top of a palm tree at an angle 45 degrees. Now we have to find out what is the height of a palm tree. What is the height of a palm tree? If you take this part only, which is formed right triangle, if we take this one as H, right? Now we have to find out, this is 13.2, this is also 13.2. We have to find out this H. After that we can add the 1.8, right? What is the triangle name? In triangle A C, you not taken here anything, so AEC, in the triangle AEC we can apply tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So tan theta is equal to opposite value is H by adjacent value is equal to 13.2. Tan theta value how much given? 45. So tan 45 is equal to H by 13.2. Tan 45 value 1 is equal to H by 13.2 by transpose into, so 13.2 is equal to H. Till here this is the height. Now we have to add this value also. So total height of a palm tree is equal to that value H, and also observer height also we have to consider here. So 13.2 plus 1.8, add these two, you will get 15 meters. Therefore height of a palm tree is equal to 15 meters. Now the problem, in the adjacent figure AC is equal to 6AC, measure is 6 centimeters. I have drawn here AC 6 meters, right? 6 centimeters. Next AB 5, AB is equal to 5. Now we have to give an angle BAC, BAC is 30 degrees. Now we have to find out area of a triangle. We know area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height. They given clearly the base value is equal to 6 meters. Base is equal to 6 centimeters. We have to find out height. So that's why I drawn here one a perpendicular line which is indicates height of the triangle. If we consider this one as a right triangle, ABC completed, this is called as a D. Right? Now find out the value of the height BD, H value, then you can substitute in the formula. Right? Now what is the value here? Value of, here in the triangle ABD or ADB, in triangle ADB, for this angle, this is opposite side and this is adjacent side, or hypotenuse. For this angle opposite hypotenuse. So we have to use the relation sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Sin theta is equal to 30 is equal to opposite value h by adjacent value 5. What is the value of sin 30? Is 1 by 2 is equal to h by 5. Apply cross multiplication. 2 into h is equal to 5 into 1. H is equal to 5 ones are 5 into 2 transpose by. So value of h is equal to 5.2 centimeters. Now we have to calculate area of a triangle, right? Area of a triangle is equal to formula half into base into height. Half into the base value in the triangle is 6 centimeters and height value is equal to 1 by 2. Sorry, 5 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 threes are. So value 3 fives are is equal to 15 by 2. 15 by 2 if you cancel result divide, then the result is equal to 7.5 centimeter square is area of a triangle which is given base is 6 centimeters and making an angle 30 degrees with a side 5 centimeters. Okay guys, do you understand? In the next video, I will start the next exercise 12.2. So please watch that video also. You can understand that problems. You can go to the exam confidently. Fine. Thank you for watching.